This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access and preparing the package. First, make sure you have an admin account with upload rights. This avoids permission errors. Next, package the theme as a zip with a correct manifest and optimized assets to reduce upload time. Once done, back up the live theme and jot down key settings so you can restore them if needed. This saves rollback time and prevents downtime while you import the new theme into the store. Now you upload and validate. You navigate to the theme store upload flow, select the zip, and fill in version and changelog fields so reviewers know what's changed. Then run the built-in validation to catch manifest errors, missing assets, or script issues. If validation flags problems, fix them locally, correct paths, optimize files, or update versions, then repackage and upload again. Make sure to track iteration so the final upload passes all checks before moving to review or activation. Complete the import by activating carefully. First, enable the theme in a sandbox or preview environment so you can test without impacting customers. Then check key pages, mobile responsiveness, and performance. Verify fonts, images, and scripts load correctly. Once satisfied, promote the theme to production. If you run into issues, enable debug logs to capture errors, and if needed, revert to the backup you made earlier. This approach prevents live site breakage and speeds recovery when problems occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.